Hello everyone, Sam here. Just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how to use the Open Camera app. It's a free camera app available on the Google Play Store. Once you install it, you're going to tap on it to open it up. You're going to get these messages. You're just going to tap on Allow and then OK. On the top there is a 3-dot menu button right here. When you tap on it, you'll see these are the flash options on the top. Then you have the focus options here. We have autofocus, we have focus infinity, we have focus locked, and we have focus continuous picture. Further down we have the standard mode. We have DRO mode, which is a dynamic range optimizer. And then we have HDR, which we all are familiar with. It's high dynamic range. And then we have Pano, which is panorama. We're going to go back to standard. Further down we have camera resolution, so we can go on the left, it's going to decrease. If we go to the right, it will increase. And this is the highest resolution that is available. We have a timer. Then we have repeat, which is continuous shots. We're going to keep that to off. Then we have the grid, and finally we have a white balance. If you tap on it, you can select auto, incandescent, fluorescent, warm, daylight, cloudy, twilight, shade. Just wanted to let you guys know that I'm indoors, as you can see, so the colors might actually not be the most attractive. Let's go ahead and tap to take a picture. And if you want to take a video, you tap on this button right here. You tap allow, and this is the video. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And there's going to be a more detailed review coming up in the end screen at the end of this video.
Till next time, stay safe.
Stay blessed. Stay tuned.